Hello everyone, welcome to Wodely video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic features of the Wodely driver app. Wodely offers 3 mobile apps for drivers, dispatchers, and merchants respectively. If you are a driver or agent working for an organization, please install the driver app from App Store or Google Play. With the driver app, you and your team can easily receive daily tasks or delivery assignments. Once a job is completed, you can record proof of delivery using a photo, signature, or barcode. The driver app access is by invitation only. Your organization must create a user account for you before you can access the app. To begin your work, you must go online to report your location. Your real-time location will be tracked by your organization when you are online during the working hours. When you first use the app, a prompt will appear asking you to enable background location access. Follow the on-screen instructions to open the app settings page and select Always under Location Access Permissions. This setting is essential for accurate location tracking while the app runs in the background. When you are off work, please go offline to stop reporting your locations. On the Task tab, you can manage and view all tasks assigned to you in a list format. Tasks are organized by route sequence number, and you can complete them step by step in order. To view task details or begin working on one, simply tap the task in the list and it will show the task details screen. The address and recipient details appear at the top of the screen. To head to your destination, tap the Navigate button. You can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, here, or any other navigation app you prefer. If you'd like, you can set your default navigation app in the settings page for quicker access. Tap on the call, SMS, or WhatsApp buttons to contact the recipient. To start a task, tap the Start Delivery task at the bottom of the screen, and the task will be updated to transit status. Your live location will be shared with the recipients. When you arrive at the destination, the task status will update to Arrived status. Now, you can either complete the task or mark it as failed. When a job is successfully completed, provide any required proof of delivery. The available options, such as photo, signature, notes, one-time password, or barcode scan, are defined by your organization. You can capture one or more photos as proof of delivery or upload them directly from your device. Some jobs may require the recipient to provide a one-time password before the task can be completed. After capturing all required proof of delivery, tap the Save Completed Task button at the bottom of the screen to successfully complete the delivery in the app. Congratulations! You have successfully completed a delivery task in the driver app. You will repeat this process for each task in the queue. Tap the Next Task button to move to the following task. Now, simply repeat the process to begin another delivery task and complete it. In some cases, you may be unable to complete a job. Tap the Failed button to mark the task as failed. Select a failure reason from the list, then tap Save Failed Task to close it. Failed tasks can be retried later. If the task cannot be completed after multiple attempts, you can mark it as returned. Let's move to the Map tab. It displays all active task markers and routes in a map view. Tap any marker on the map to see the task details. The number displayed on each marker represents the route sequence, guiding you to complete tasks in order. The app also provides route planning and optimization. To create a delivery route, tap the Route Planner button at the top of the screen. To start a new route, tap the New Route button and select all active tasks. Next, tap the Optimize Route button to automatically calculate the most efficient route for your remaining tasks. If needed, you can manually drag and drop tasks in the list to reorganize your route. Then, tap the Save button at the top of the screen to apply your changes. All done! You can tap the Map Layer button at the top to display live traffic on the map. Next, let me show you how to create a new task on the app. Tap the plus icon at the top to open the new task form. Enter the job details, then tap the Save button at the top to create the task. You can tap the Task Filters button at the top left of the screen to organize your task list layout. For example, you can switch the layout to a short list view. Next, I'll show you how to accept new tasks from your dispatch team. When a new task request is sent, the app will notify you with a ring and display the task. You can then choose to accept or decline the request. If you accidentally close the screen, you can still access new task requests by going to the More tab and tapping Waiting Tasks. To accept a task, simply tap the Accept button. Newly accepted tasks will appear in both the Task tab and the Map tab. Well done! Next, let's explore other features available in the app. The app includes an in-app chat feature that lets you communicate with team members, dispatchers, and merchants. Switch to the Chat tab to start a conversation and view your chat history. Additionally, you can manage the vehicle assigned to you directly in the app. In the Vehicle tab, you can manage all aspects of your assigned vehicle, such as odometer's entry for a vehicle. Manage fuel usage with all the relevant information for the fuel up. Track any on-road cost and expense, and easily identify where you're spending too much and gain insight to where you can reduce costs. Track problems and defects with vehicles and resolve them quickly. Most importantly, you can start a vehicle safety inspection and complete all required items using the form provided by your administrator. Next, the Task History tab displays all your recently completed tasks. You can also adjust the date range to view completed tasks from any period within the last 12 months. For extra features, tap the More tab. You'll see a list of options you can explore. On the dashboard page, you'll see key metrics, progress updates, and an earnings summary related to your work. On the Load Vehicle page, drivers can scan packages before embarking on their delivery route, ensuring that no packages are left behind. This step helps prevent the occurrence of missing packages while on the road. On the Work Schedule page, you can view your work schedule and roster on monthly or weekly basis. On your Profile page, you can easily update your personal info, adjust transportation details, and check your access permissions. On the Settings page, you can customize the app by adjusting font size, color theme, display language, and task list layout. You can also configure map navigation options, notification settings, communication preferences, and more. That's all. When you finish your work, remember to go offline. This will stop background location tracking and let you enjoy your time off. Thanks for watching.